Good morning. We are back with another interesting event in the City of Joy, AWS Community Day Kolkata. We are doing it on 5th of April at RCC Institute of Technology. This time we are coming bigger, where the developers, customers are coming together to share the AWS innovation journey. This is going to be a large learning event. This time we are doing a 3 tracks. Track 1 for artificial intelligence, machine learning and generative AI. Track 2 we are doing for database, serverless, analytics, modernizations. Track 3 will be the workshop where the users can join the workshop and do a hands-on session on agentic AI DevSecOps. So do join the AWS Community Day on 5th April. Thank you.